Finding the best time for your sign-up form to appear on your website has never been easier. Now, by running an optimization test, you can improve your form's display timing settings to increase submission rate using Klaviyo AI. Keep in mind, you must have a total profile count of at least 400,000 to qualify for an optimization test. An optimization test runs a series of AI-generated experiments in phases to determine the most effective timing settings for your form. Let's say you are creating a new sign-up form or editing an existing one and want to know what timing settings will drive the highest submit rate. You can start a new optimization test to determine this. The test will start by looking at the timing settings of your current form, which is the control. It will then generate up to 6 new variations, all with different display settings. Each of those AI-generated variations will be tested against your current form. Phase 1 will run until there's enough information to determine the best settings options for testing in the following phases. Phase 2 will start with one new AI-generated variation to test against your current form. Phase 3 will be similar to Phase 2, meaning a new AI-generated variation will be tested against the performance of your current form. Phases will continue until the AI cannot generate any more significant lift in performance. At that point, the optimization test will end and your sign-up form will be automatically updated with the new display settings, and that version will be live on your site. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, let us know by liking and subscribing so that you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Plus, be sure to check out the description to take your next step as you learn and grow with Klaviyo.